Business leaders have it rough. I don't envy them. They're expected to steer the ship, set strategy, drive results, and lead people. But half of the time, they're neck deep in Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoints, and 72 email long threads. It's an exhausting juggling act, but I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have to be that way. So not that long ago, I worked with a COO who was drowning in chaos. Her team was managing projects across like 5 or 6 different tools. Some on email, some in Excel, some on sticky notes. Critical documents were hard to find. Tasks slipped through the cracks, and collaboration, it was, chaotic. Now, she didn't know that SharePoint could help. She thought it was just a system for storing files. But once I showed her what was possible, how we could map her team's actual workflows into a streamlined SharePoint system, it clicked. We built a centralized system that fit her team like a glove. Projects were organized, documents became secure and searchable, and communication is now clear and consistent. Today, the director of employee engagement manages the system, but the COO oversees the systems of the company without babysitting files or folders. If you're a small to mid-sized business owner or leader and you're feeling the weight of disorganization, scattered systems, and inefficiencies, then you're in the right place. This channel is here to help you take back control by showing you how to implement SharePoint in a way that actually makes sense for your business. I help business leaders like you cut through the noise, calm the chaos, and build systems that actually work. Now here's how. I listen to how your business really works. I help you map that to what SharePoint can do, and then we build a solution that works for you, not the other way around. No unnecessary complexity, no overwhelming tech, just a smarter way to run your business. This channel is filled with stories, tutorials, and tools to help you get there. But if you're ready to explore what this might look like for your business specifically, then let's chat. Remember, it's not a sales call. I'm not selling you anything. I'm just learning about you and your business. We'll talk about what's not working, what you want to improve, and if we're a good fit, then I'll help you map out your next steps. It's short, it's no pressure, and it can completely change the way you run your business. If your days are filled with scattered files, unclear processes, and the weight of managing it all, then let's talk. Let's calm the chaos. Let's build something better with SharePoint. Click the link in the description to book your free strategy call now. And while you're here, subscribe. The channel is all about helping leaders like you simplify, systemize, and scale with SharePoint. I'm here to make that journey easier, and I'm glad you're here. I'll see you in the next video.